Hi everybody, this is Randy here at Chastang Ford. It's a beautiful day here in Houston, Texas. We've got us a little treat today to show off. This is a 450 4x4 single cab with a 4 to 5 cubic yard dump bed on it. You can see it's raised up right now. It also has a hitch on the back for towing. This is for all you landscapers, anybody that needs to move dirt around, gravel. This is a great truck to do it. We can also customize any other truck for you. We make larger dumps too if you're interested in those. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out.